Welcome. The ATLA Religion Database indexes journal articles, book reviews, and essay collections concerning all fields of religion. Its bibliographic records entail multilingual scholarship about major religions, faiths, and denominations. ATLA Serials is an online collection of full-text articles from major religion and theology journals, most often used by theologians and religious scholars of many faiths and religions. As such, this combination of databases is a vital tool for serious religious and theological scholarship. Today, we'll be exploring some of its key features and functions. If we look at the top of the page, we find New Search, Publications, Scriptures, Thesaurus, and more, which provides a link to indexes. We'll only be looking at a few of these functions today, but I would recommend exploring the others at a later date. Here you can also see search boxes with Boolean operators in between, and then search modes and expanders. I would encourage you to explore using smart text searching, equivalent subjects, and applying related words. Sometimes we may not know exactly what words we should use to maximize our searching power, and these functions often provide results which we may not have ordinarily found. And then we have search within full-text articles. This can be useful if you want articles in which the text itself includes your search terms. But keep in mind that often your search terms can appear in an article that has nothing to do with your research topic. Since ATLA is a religion database, it includes important limiting features that other databases do not. For example, if you carefully examine the genres listed in the index, you will find some uniquely religious genres. Church documents, hymnals and hymns, prayers, rituals, sacred works, and sermons. Limiting your searches to one or more of these genres can be extremely helpful, especially if you need to find primary source materials. Now let's try to search for resources about a topic to see how this works. Say we are looking for any type of material in English concerning Jewish ritual baths. First, we need to be sure that we are choosing to highlight English in the language list. But what search term should we type in the box? If we enter the phrase Jewish ritual bath, we are given exactly 3 search results. Surely there has to be more than that. Let's go up and click on Thesaurus. And let's type Jewish ritual bath in the subject thesaurus browsing box. What the thesaurus is telling us is that we really need to use the word mikveh instead of Jewish ritual bath. Now let's go back to the advanced search page. First, we need to make sure that English is the language that our results will be printed in. Then, we type the word mikveh in the search box. That's more like it. 90 results from which we can find information more specifically related to our topic. As you scroll down, you can see in the left-hand column limiters of several types that you can use to narrow your search. Abstract available, full text, and then here we have the date of publication limiter. This is particularly helpful if you want more recent scholarship about your topic. What we've looked at today are some of the features of this database that can aid your research about theological or religious topics. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful to you. Thank you for listening.